Ever woken up with that scratchy, dry throat that just won't go away? The solution might surprise you. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're exploring the top 3 humidifiers for sore throat that bring soothing moisture and relief. Check the links in the description below. The number 3 product on our list is Rosekm Humidifier. The Rosekm Humidifier feels like a quiet rescue for anyone struggling with dry air, sore throats, or restless sleep. It may look small, but its 2-liter tank delivers hours of refreshing mist that instantly softens the air and soothes irritation. What really stands out is how peaceful it is. Whisper-quiet operation and no harsh lights make it perfect for nighttime comfort. The 360 dg nozzle lets you direct mist exactly where you need it, bringing relief that feels personal and consistent. With its sleek, compact design, it fits perfectly on a bedside table without cluttering the space. Safe, automatic shutoff adds confidence, especially for overnight use. Compared to larger humidifiers, this one is simple, effective, and thoughtfully made, an ideal pick for daily wellness and restful recovery. Number 2 is Dreo Humidifier. The Dreo Humidifier turns dry air into a soothing comfort zone within minutes. With its 4-liter tank and whisper-quiet 28 dB operation, it's designed for peaceful nights and easy breathing. Perfect for anyone battling sore throats, sinus dryness, or winter congestion. The dual intake design and tall mist output spread moisture evenly without leaving damp spots, creating a soft, refreshing environment that feels instantly relaxed. I love how effortlessly it fills from the top, no spills or mess, just smooth, practical use. Compared to other humidifiers, Dreo's precision mist control and fine atomization deliver more balanced humidity that feels cleaner and lighter in the air. It's ideal for bedrooms, nurseries, and workspaces alike, a sleek, smart solution for healthier air and genuinely restful sleep, tested for real-world comfort and lasting relief. Now moving to the last one is LEVOIT Humidifier. Dry air can ruin your sleep, your skin, and even your mornings, but the LEVOIT Humidifier brings instant relief that feels almost therapeutic. Its 2.5-liter capacity keeps your room comfortably hydrated through the night, easing sore throats, sinus dryness, and winter congestion effortlessly. The upgraded top-fill design is pure convenience. No spills, no hassle, just refill and relax. I especially love how quietly it runs. At only 26 dB, it's softer than a whisper, making it perfect for bedrooms and nurseries. The wide opening makes cleaning quick and frustration-free, a real upgrade from older humidifiers. Compared to others in its class, LEVOIT feels more refined, smartly built for comfort, health, and peace of mind. It's a small device with a big impact, crafted for real-world relief and everyday calm. So guys, this was the video about the top 3 humidifier for sore throat. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.